Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's Trading with the NetPicks team. Now I've entitled the presentation today, The Search for the Holy Grail. How many of us out there are always looking for that holy grail of trading, that program, indicators, trade room, whatever it is that's going to change your trading? It's going to take you to that next level. I probably want to tell you that I doubt that it's out there. Now, there are things that will help you and can help you, but there's no magic pill or magic program that's going to do it. Trading is inherently difficult. It's inherently non-human, and so therefore we as humans have to wrestle with those problems, the emotions, psychology, money management, fear, greed, all of it. Over the past couple weeks, I've actually been checking out a few, live trading rooms, because we trade live every day. And, I just kind of want to see if I could learn a few things. I had some very eye-opening experiences, like, on this particular trade. Ours is very simple and straightforward. And, again, I'm not here to promote this system. I just want to show you something that, if you see something unusual and it kind of scares you, if you're in another room or something and you can't possibly do what they're doing, then that should be a red flag for you. But we just have a very simple approach. We start right at the U.S. Open, 9:30, and the first trade was a loss. That was a small loss, about a half a point on the Russell. So if you've got two contracts, that would be a full point. But again, our entry is just it's that little orange dot, and the numbers are right over here in the data window, so we went short at 783.2, went down a little bit. When we get to this first dot, then we can lock in a tick, and it didn't make it. And you see it pulled back up to our stop. However, it also then said, hey, no, the market's going long. Let's go long. Stop and reverse. So we did. We stopped and reversed. It went up. It wasn't a big trade. It went up to the money management, and it locked in a tick. So you start out with a small loss and an extremely small win. But then the market did roll around, and we got this nice full target winner, and it trailed out for some more. So if you had two positions, you got a little more on it. You should have been done there. You were positive, up for the day. If you took a third trade, it rolled on up to full target. You can see right there, the second dot there is our full target. But again, let's just kind of show you, this is real live trading. There's wins, there's losses. This is not, what we do is not, you're never going to lose. We're never going to call a losing trade. That to me is pretty crazy. But in any case, where I was this morning was, okay, let's go short. Somebody went short, and the market went against them. And let's say it went against them up here, and so they bought 50 more contracts. Okay, so how many of you can buy 62 contracts in the Russell? I don't know. Well, obviously, he dollar cost averages and gets it really good, and so he exited right here. I mean, obviously he didn't get any of this run, but he did make a profit because he had 62 contracts. That's not my style of trading. It kind of scared me a little bit, and I worried about the little fish out there. So that's why I want to title this Search for the Holy Grail. There's no panacea, there's no perfect pill. But what I would say is get some good education, get with a good trading group, even some other buddies. You get a trading group together and trade together. And whatever system you find, whatever you use, if it's working, great. And if you ever need a little bit of help or advice, we're here. We're an educational company, so we're here for you, and we're just all about getting you on the right track if we can. Keep searching for that holy grail, but just don't look too hard, because it's probably already right under your nose. It's work on yourself, work on your trading style, your trading plan, and I think you can be successful, whether these are moving averages, pivot points, or candlesticks. Whatever you use, it can work. Good trading.